We're going to begin now taking a look at manually renewing a policy. To manually renew a policy in your agency management system, you're going to choose the policy that you would like to manually renew. That will highlight the line black. Then you will renew policy. When you do this, the cursor will automatically go to your premium field. You'll put in the new premium amount. Now, keep in mind that when I just entered this renewal, if I back up one term, you're going to notice that the prior term has been marked as prior generation automatically. If you'd like to keep the prior generation active until the renewal has been paid, you simply click active, and this will keep it active in your system until the renewal has been paid, and then you would have to come back and mark it prior generation. So if I come back to the current term now, this is my renewal offer, and you'll notice there's no term date paid here, so this is how the system knows that it's not been renewed yet. If you close this, you'll notice on your client main screen here, you'll have two for the same policy number, just different dates. The active one is your active current term, and the renewal offer is your renewal offer that we just inputted. That's it for manually renewing policies. If you have any questions, please reach out to us here at Genesis. Thanks.